Hello, my name is Tammy Faber, and I'm the sales director at HOH Water Technology. We're an industrial water treatment company. We help facilities manage their water and improve their operations through energy and water savings. I first approached SalesStar because I knew intuitively that we could do better in our sales process. I knew that we were stuck and that we were not at our optimum state. We had deals that were really lagging in the length of time they were taking to close. And then when we would get to close, we were not identifying the decision makers. And then the sales process would start all over. And so we sell something that is highly technical and it has a naturally long sales cycle, and the mistakes we were making that even worse. We spent time coaching with the team at SalesStar, and we were able to bring places and things and situations that we were stuck with our teams and talk to Jill and Sean about how we can approach this better with the team, how we can coach them better. Well, now after SalesStar, they have a tool. They use the STAR process and they use doubts to really hone in, am I talking to the right people? The team's development since SalesStar has been really fun to watch. Immediately after we started coaching, in the first 30 to 40 days, we moved 3 deals that were stuck to close. Another very important measurable that we've seen an increase in is the actual connection between decision makers. We've seen an increase of 60 to 70% of getting to the right decision maker the first time. And that ultimately saves us time, gets the sale closed sooner, and allows us to get the ROI faster with the business that we're trying to close. I know I'm more effective at looking at the sales process because I am coaching differently. We spent time with Jill and Sean just as leaders talking about how to use the tools to coach for better performance. And so those check engine moments when maybe people aren't doing the leading activity we need, I'm able to recognize it sooner and see that they aren't using the tools that we learned in SalesStar. The advice I would give to anyone wanting to use SalesStar is to do it. There is nothing that I have done in my tenure as the sales manager has changed the trajectory of my team more. They really customize the program to where your team needs the most help. The other thing is, even if you think your process is perfect, it's not. There are things that you can do to improve and be more efficient and really teach your team something that you don't see as a leader. I would highly recommend SalesStar to anyone.